Mararita kwe Dr. Raymond Omollo ogolo siem ne kembe mag modhi kod maok matayo ohala margi tok chik ne sirkal dhi kawnegi okang' mar chik. E kinde romo mano kelo kanyakla duol mar IPRA, jo-ohala mag modhi, duol mar KRA kod mag jokanyo mamoko. Dr. Raymond Omollo koni nitiere kembe matayo ohalago kata bang' rem yudo lesen mopuodhi kod sirkal. Direkta mar modhi kod gas Edward Kinywa koni gibiro makore kod okwach kich kod bede sirkal mamoko mondo mi luok sekta mar modhi kod mauta mopong' kod mibadhi mamiyo bech mwandugo idho kinde ka kinde.
So far, we have re-evaluated 54 LPG sites out of the 138 we have licensed. These 54 sites were previously audited and found to be high risk or risky. We have a scoring criteria. So these are sites whose HSE score was below 60%. The reopening of these sites is conditional. They must implement the corrective action plans they have been given until they reach the 60% mark. And we'll continue monitoring to ensure that these sites are fully compliant.
We need to deploy advanced technology for monitoring and surveillance of the supply chain to help in early detection of illicit activities. I want to urge the players in the sector to take advantage of the existing infrastructure of the National Government Administration officers as coordinators of regular inspections and surveillance exercises at the county levels owing to their reach. So the ministry has a presence up to the lowest level. Our officers also need to be trained, they need to understand the law, they need to be able to be mentally equipped. So it's not just a question of walking into a facility and closing it. You must be able to explain to the operators why you are closing it. If they have violated certain provisions of the laws,